We are pleased to show you the 2007 Camry Solara. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering, one-touch windows, one.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.